Hello, my name is Karan Shah from Urban Space Reality. So we have all been impacted from coronavirus since last year. Our real estate industry has been impacted quite a lot. Only because of the government interventions last year from October to March 2021, we got very good response in the real estate industry, which are mainly again due to the stamp duty benefits provided by the government as well as the housing loan interest, which were quite low. So these factors boosted sales where we had where no one of us actually assumed that we'll be getting such good sales. Now once these incentives of government are over, now we are facing a situation when the wave has come back again. So looking forward, we feel that the next 2 quarters might be a bit slow for our industry. Specifically talking about residential real estate, we see that not many people are stepping out of their houses because of the uncertain times. They are not sure that the COVID wave might arise again next year, or they are still not sure about the job security and their businesses. So overall, all these reasons have impacted the walk-ins of the customers on different projects. People are taking care of themselves, they are trying to save on their money, and they want to go safe looking ahead. Talking about commercial real estate, we see that many of the big companies are downsizing. They are restructuring and resizing their companies and offices. Bigger people are taking medium-sized office people are taking smaller offices. So in the commercial segment, we might find some movement in the leasing as well as the purchase part, but that also I feel will only happen after Q3 of 2021. So which is somewhere around after the monsoon season. So from October 2021 till around March 2022, we feel that there will be again a good number of people who might buy a property or lease out a property. But before that, we feel that it will be slightly slower due to monsoon as well as this second wave of COVID. Under construction properties will be impacted a bit because no one is certain that this wave might again arise next year. Then what? So all these factors are building up in one's mind, and that is the reason why we feel that it will take some time for people again to gear up themselves and again go out and purchase properties. So the only thing which we can hope, which we can expect from the government is for some relief, some support again to boost real estate, which is the second most biggest industry of our country in providing employment. And as we know that real estate is linked with many of the ancillary industries, we really hope that the government intervenes and once again our real estate industry grows and moves fast, and so does the economy of our country. Thank you.